let's continue with another acid. So this time we're going to do a crystal, but you see the sharp corners. It's a little hard to do it with what we have, but I think it's doable. So let's give it a try. We could also do a smooth crystal, which is really fast. It's literally just 2 cones front, duplicate, then 45, 45. Sorry, that's 90, 90. Yeah. Front. And then voxel merge these two, smooth it out. Oh, it wasn't close enough. Right. All right, there we are. Now we voxel merge and smooth. And this creates a smooth crystal like this. And that's a really, really simple one. So, right, let's create a sharp crystal. And this is still ammonium acid. We can make this green, we can make this blue. It really just depends on us. And I think in some video games, depending on the color, it's more expensive. So we're just going to create a gold one. But yeah, let's see. Box. Take this crystal, this smooth crystal out the way for a minute. And let's make this bigger. Right. Nope. Wrong place. There we are. Okay. Smooth this up. That's pretty good. Now let's do some cutting. All right. All right. Oh, much better. So now we get that sharp crystal. I think we go left. Right. Oh, go back. All right. Oh, sweet. We got our nice sharp crystal with a cube. Now let's smooth this out, but first voxel, so it fixes the geometry. All right. And there we are. A smooth and a sharp crystal created using the tools that we have in Nomad Sculpt. So let's go with just a crystal. Okay. And we're gonna do them both. So take that one out first. Options and then unwrap. Yes. Shouldn't take too long, hopefully. Ooh, 336K. Okay. Might take a little bit because it's over 100. Yeah, 100 faces and vertices. So just give it a minute. Sorry for the wait. There we are. All right. Let's do some painting here. That's pretty nice. Cool. Force paint. Let's move it. And there's our gold crystal. But we can also make it like a blue crystal. It really just depends on you. Sweet. See? All right. And we're going to do the same thing to the other crystal, but I'm going to do that on my own. This is how you create a crystal, either smooth or sharp, for your money assets. See you in the next video, and hope this helps.